Hi, I'm Carrie. I'm with the sales team at Rescue, and I'm here today to talk to you about how to use the reusable pop fly trap. Twist open the cap. Inside, you'll find the reusable pop fly trap attractant. You want to simply tear open the attractant, pour the attractant into the bottle, grab some water, and you want to fill the actual trap to the fill line, which is indicated right here on the bottle. You want to just keep in mind that this is a product that you want to use only outdoors, never indoors. Twist the cap back onto the trap. Now that the pouch is inside the jar and it's activated, we're going to want to place it 30 feet away from any outdoor activity. Once you find your placement, simply pop open the top of the lid and let it do its magic. When your pop fly trap is full, you can buy a refill to reuse it. One of the great things about being in sales is that we actually go to a lot of trade shows. So I actually am meeting with people face to face, shaking their hands and telling them about all of our products. The great thing about the Rescue products is it's made in USA, it's made in Spokane, Washington, and that's a really big deal. My name is Carrie. I hope you enjoyed how to use our Rescue reusable pop fly trap.